guys, we're from Group 3 and I'm Francisco Okinding Arceo. I'm Paolo. And our myth today is, which is the best way to hold an egg without it cracking under pressure?
Yeah. For this experiment, we will be having two setups. Our first setup, we will be placing 4 eggs laying on its side, and we will be placing a 7-pound hook on top of it. And so to balance the egg, we created these small, tiny rings made out of paper so that the egg will be balanced. And then we'll put the hook on top.
Our second setup will be the same as the first one, except we'll be putting the eggs laying upright, just like this. Our hypothesis for the experiment is, if the pressure applied is related to an eggshell's breaking point, then holding an egg upright will keep it from breaking. We use the book as a substitute for our hands, so we know how much pressure is being applied to the eggs.
First setup, it took us around 28 pounds to break all 4 eggs. So we can conclude that it takes around 7 pounds to break one egg on its side.
Now put your hands up.
So for our second conclusion, it takes about 35 pounds to break 4 eggs in an upright position.
As a whole, we can now conclude that you need to apply more force or more pressure to the top and bottom of the egg for it to crack. The whole point of the experiment is to find out which way is better to hold an egg, from the top or bottom or from the sides. So based from this experiment, you now know that holding the egg from the top and bottom will take more effort to crack. So when you get home from your grocery shopping, hold the egg like this, not like this.
Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chaud boulet, chaud boulet, chaud boulet, chaud boulet.